guys. Today we're going to talk about the difference between a fact and an opinion. Okay? So we have two things here. Facts. Facts are things or ideas that we know are true. Okay? So when we think about the sky is blue, we know that it's not changing. We could also say that our next season is summer. That's a fact. We know that. We could also say that the month is April. Those are all facts. Okay? Opinions are our own thoughts, feelings, and ideas. Okay? So if I say summer is the best, that's my feeling. That's my opinion. You are allowed to disagree with me, but that is my feeling. I could also say I think chocolate is the best. That's how I feel. That is my opinion. You might not agree with that, and that's okay, because it's my opinion. Alright? So we're going to make an opinion list, sort of. So I want you to take a minute and think about the best pet. So when you think about the best pet, what do you think about? Are you thinking the best pet is a dog, a cat, a horse, a bunny, a snake, a goat, a fish? What are you thinking? Or maybe it's something that's not on my list, and that's okay too. What are you thinking is the best pet? All I want you to do today is make a list of all of the pets you can think about. Okay? All of the pets you could have. I'm not going to put dinosaur. I can't have a pet dinosaur. I'm not going to put unicorn. I can't have a pet unicorn. Okay? But make a list, just like I've done, of all the best pets. And then I want you to circle which one, in your opinion, is the best. And you're going to need this for tomorrow. You're going to need it for Tuesday. So, again, make a list of all the pets that you can think of. And then I want you to circle which pet you think is the best.